Okay, just an update on the repointing. The repointing is now finished, and you can see all the joints have been reworked. And if you come down underneath on the form here, all these joints have been refilled with mortar. We're using the NHL 5.0 natural hydraulic lime mortar, and it's a very close replica to what was here. We've color matched it pretty closely to what was here. So the whole underside has been repointed. The upper part has been repointed where the mortar was failing there. We'll go down, we'll check on the far side. We had to rebuild a little bit of the foundation down there. And we'll show you an overview of the whole thing here. On the corner here, this stone was original. It was sticking out this way. In fact, at all four corners there was a voussoir stone that stuck out. But underneath it was crumbling ledge that was failing. And we ended up removing that crumbling ledge and added another piece of granite beneath it. Got that all remortared back to the original condition. You'll notice that everything here is scraped with wet burlap right now. Whenever you're using the natural hydraulic lime mortar, the curing conditions are really important. It doesn't cure as fast as a modern Portland cement. And so you have to let it dry out very slowly in stages, and that's what all the burlap is about. So it'll be another couple days covered in burlap, and then by middle of next week we'll be able to take this down, take down the tent, take off the burlap, and we'll be ready to start rebuilding. So these are again the granite voussoir landscape of wet burlap at the moment, but it gives a sense of what we're working with. Everything's gotten repointed and we're letting the mortar cure now. Alright, so you can see in the background the tent that we've set up, and that keeps the mortar as it's curing both shaded and also keeps rain off, because we need it to dry slowly, but we can't have it flooded with water either. And we had a couple good thunderstorms come through, so it was very important that we had that covered in order to get proper curing conditions. So that shows how it's looked about for the last 2 weeks, and we're going to leave it on for about another 4 days, and then we'll start rebuilding.